Campus Video.
Who is it? I'm the guy who sent the email requesting to work with Campus Video.
Yeah. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Bobby.
How's it going?
I'm here to make videos.
Oh, whoa there, Robert. You're just coming in and make videos, okay? I've been here 3 years, alright? I haven't made a single video yet.
Because you're lazy, dude.
Shut it, Dave. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Take off that Boulder Root backpack. I'm gonna finish my Pokemon battle. And then, I'll give you a tour of the place. Deal?
Fabulous.
Do not say fabulous.
Where can I put my lunch? I don't want my milk to get warm.
Oh, that? Yeah, my bad. You can throw that in the fridge.
I will consume your flesh.
Whoa, what was that?
I'm sorry, what was what?
Let the blood rain down.
Oh, that.
What was that?
Oh, that's just our demon.
Call him Jeff.
Yeah, don't mind Jeff.
A demon?
Yeah, no biggie.
So it's safe to put my lunch in there then?
As safe as if there's no demon in there at all. Jeff's a sweetheart, I swear.
Alright. Where'd you get this fridge from? Down there?
Hey, man. Did you tell him not to have any apples in his bag? Because Jeff would suck him into his demon world if he did.
I did not. Oh, nuts. Dave, get the broom.
Sha-la-la-la. Campus Video.